Welcome to JMC News. I'm Nivedita. Today we explore a topic that is transforming the way students learn, work, and think about artificial intelligence or AI. Once a concept seen only in a science fiction, AI is now a real part of our everyday academic journey. From generating notes and summarizing lectures to designing presentation, AI has become a crucial tool for students. It helps save time, understand complex topics, and prepare efficiently for exam. In fact, many students today rely on AI-based application for research, skill development, and career planning. But what students often forget is this AI as a tool, not a replacement for your brain. Knowing how to use it wisely is now a modern academic skill. AI can be used for personalized learning, efficient research, skill development, productivity, and organization, which are very useful for college students. However, with great convenience comes great caution. Over-dependence can weaken original thinking and creativity. Plagiarism became easier. Copying AI generated content without understanding it is still cheating. Wrong or biased information can misguide your research if you reply blindly. Privacy concerns arise when students share personal or academic data with unverified AI apps. Teachers can now detect AI generated work. Even colleges have begun including AI misuse policies in their academic ethics code, meaning inappropriate use can lead to disciplinary action. Use AI to learn, not to escape learning. Use it to understand concept, not write full assignment for you. Use it as a guide, not as authority. Always verify information from the true academic sources. Add your own thought, examples, and perspectives. Remember that AI can be produce answers, but only you can produce insights. AI is not here to replace students, it is here to empower them. In the coming years, careers, industries, and opportunities will favor those who know how to think with AI, not depend on it. Your creativity, ethics, and decision making will be your true strength. AI is just the accelerate you can drive. Technology can amplify your abilities, but value shapes your identities. Use AI smartly, responsibly, and ethically because the future belongs to those who know how to use it, not to who let it use them. That's all for today from us. For daily news update, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.